I mean, just pretty simple stuff right here, you know, English, if you speak English and all that stuff. And then connecting to wireless, you gotta find yours, and I'm Spectrum. Gotta love Spectrum. Then the whole password for that big boy. And you gotta wait for it to connect because we all know how fun that is. Now, when it comes to the installation, you can do normal, minimal, download updates while installing Ubuntu, install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. Like, because it's a Chromebook, I wouldn't really do the third-party, and you can do that as, you know, as you go. But I'm just going to keep it how it's set up. You do it how you want to. I mean, if you're new to Linux and all that, I would just keep it as is, and definitely watch how-to videos, talk to other Linux users. Definitely go to forums, because forums are going to be your best friend with this kind of stuff. Wait for the whole, hey, let's load up, this kind of fun stuff and all that. I know with the other videos, I just like paused it and fast forward and all that kind of stuff. And this, I don't want to do that. I want to be as thorough as an update as possible. Not an update, but, you know, thorough of updated video mini-series. I hope everyone's Sunday and weekend went pretty well, or is going well as in general. Now here, this computer currently has Windows Boot Manager on it. What you want to do is erase disk, because that's what I'm going to do. Erase everything and install Ubuntu. If you want to, now what this up here does is if you want to dual boot, have it alongside Windows and all that. I don't want anything to do because I erased the boot manager and all that fun stuff. So obviously I'm going to install, but the other thing, something else is what you can have multiple partitions. Like you can have all kinds of stuff going on with this. That's the fun with Linux. That's why it's like the nerd OS. So now it's going to go through all that. Gives you the warning like, hey, if you do this, you're not going to have Windows anymore. It's like, who cares? Now I'll have my desktop, which has Windows 10, my Chromebook, which has Chrome OS and a Linux beta, and then I'll have, I guess it won't give me Dallas. I guess I should go off Chicago. Since I'm in Texas. Dallas City, Dallas, Ohio. Now we'll just go off Chicago because they're the same time code. Chicago. I'm not Chihuahua. Chihuahua. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go off Chicago. Even though it puts me way over there. That's the fun of it. Let's see if it does Austin. There's Australia. Well, it puts me like way over there, yet I am right here. Oh well. So you just do your basic setup of that. Then you put your name. computer name, pick a username, choose a password, and then all that. So I'll come back on part 3 and we'll go through all the other updates. Hope this helps you out.